If you want to make world a better place, you need to make yourself a better person. What I mean by this statement is that if you want to make a world where there is no pain, everyone can live happily. So, if you want to make that world, I'm going to tell you the 5 major problems. If solved, I'm sure that this world can be a great place. So, let me start. The first problem I'm going to talk about is unemployment. The reason of unemployment is because there are less jobs. I am sure that if government create more and more jobs, this problem can decrease. And the second problem of unemployment is they borrow loans and not able to pay them back, leading them to do suicide. And the solution of it is if government do subsidy, the meaning of subsidy is and government provide the money indirectly or directly. This problem can be solved. So, I'm going to talk about the second major problem in this world. The second problem is shortage of food. There is shortage of food because of population. And the solution of it is if government tell them that the meaning of small family, then I'm sure that this problem can also be solved. Now, the second problem of shortage of food is substitutional farmer. The meaning of substitution farmer is the government, the farmer only grow crop to meet the enough of their family. So, if government provide them fertilizer and other needs, they will turn into a substitutional farmer to intensive farmer. Now, I move towards the third major problem in this world. It is decrease of oxygen. Do you know that only 21% of air is of oxygen? All other air is filled with nitrogen. And it is caused because of the pollution. And the pollution is caused because of greenhouse gases. The answer or the solution of it is if we reduce, reuse, recycle, I'm sure that this problem can be solved. The second major problem because the decrease of oxygen is cutting plants. Wood cutters are cutting lots and lots of plants. If we plant more trees, then I'm sure that this problem can also be solved. As human being of this planet, we should at least grow eight plants. Now, there is also a famous quote about it. The best time to plant trees was 20 years ago. The second best time to plant tree is now. Now, I move toward the fourth major problem in this world. It is power. It is caused because of the inflation. The solution of it is if you use minimum wage. And what I mean by minimum wage is if government provide them food to at least survive for 100 days, I'm sure that this problem can be also solved. The second problem of poverty is uneducation. They are not able to make money because they are uneducated. I'm sure that if government provides some rule like they should be educated till 12th standard, I'm sure that this problem can be also solved. Now, I move towards the fifth and the last major problem in this world. It is global warming. Do you know that ozone layer has been injured because of global warming? The heat is increasing because of global warming. What we can do to stop global warming is that we can use renewable energy. Meaning of renewable energy is that the thing that we can use unlimited times, like heat energy. And the problem of heat is plantation. And if you know that if you plant trees, a lot of problem can be solved. So I hope that you plant trees. Now I move towards the end of my slide, but I would like to tell you something. If this all problems are solved, I am sure that your imaginary world and my imaginary world can come true. The world where everything will be exchanged with hugs and kisses instead of words and bullets. Thank you.